Sir, yung follow-up ko may nag-post ng picture ni Roger 4 hours.
4 hour. First hour.
4 hours?
4 hours?
Sa Facebook. Bagong picture ni Rodwell.
So, ang ibig sabihin, he's alive.
Alive.
That's his show.
Parang
Proof of life. Proof of life yan. So, alam naman natin na the law enforcement agencies has been looking for him every now and then. So, we have been fine-tuning our efforts with the PNP on this, lalo na yung anti-kidnapping group. Sila yung lead agency dito, sinusuportahan namin. Nagkaroon na actually kami ng conference, 2 conference on this, tracking all these kidnapped. In fact, hindi lang si Rodwell. As far as I can recall the data, there are about 12 of them. Ano pa rin, yung matagal yung iba, 2 years na halos, nandyan lang, hindi nare-recover, hindi na i-release. To continue yung effort natin on against yung paano natin matulungan na ma-rescue yun.
Sir, pero sir, may nakita ako naman sir yung base dito pero sa ano bang particular role ng mga kanosa ngayon sir dito?
Yun naman, alam niyo naman, kapit bisig. Ang kapit bisig involves tatlong component yun, yung component against humanitarian assistance and civil affairs. Ito yun, civic action. One is their support also to the capability upgrade program namin ng armed forces. At saka yung pangatlo is more on technical assistance. Yung kaya nilang ibigay sa amin in terms of training, support system. But activity na ito is related on the first, humanitarian assistance and civil affairs.
So magbibigay sila ng tulong din dito
In
sir,
fact, advices on how to, yung technical aspect, and then, in fact, they are also giving some materials for school buildings. They have been doing this even not only in this area, in Bongo Island, in remote areas, in conflict-affected areas.
Pero what about the security sir?
In this area, I think, nakita nyo naman siguro, is 104th Brigade is involved in this activity with the special forces and other law enforcement dito. Kaya nga sabi ko, kausap ko si Colonel Graves, the 104th Brigade Commander, they will stay ilan to 3 days, magta-3 araw sila rito. In fact, ang pinaka-focus ng ano nila, yung core shelters nila sa likod, uunahin nila yan. Even to include this building, sabi naman ni Gob, isusuportahan nila ito, yung building na ito. In fact, hindi na nga ito rehab, we will construct a new one, hindi, sabi niya.
Sir, yung presence ng 18IB, ano po yun? Deployment, yung deployment...
Of course, it's a territorial battalion.
Reinforcement po yun dun sa ginawang natin dun sa January 21?
Hindi naman, it's just a continuing problem. Continuing campaign namin, part of our campaign, to put up more pressures dun sa tao na, sa mga lawless elements na nandito sa island.
Magdadagdag pa tayo ng mga forces?
If necessary, magdadagdag tayo.